Hey there. So I am in Hawaii right now, and I just realized I was going through some stuff that a ton of the stuff that I packed and have been using a lot is actually from either past Fab Fit Fun boxes, edits, or add-ons. So I thought I would show some of the stuff in case it comes back around and you can grab it. So a couple of the things are a little bit used, we'll say, well loved. So some of it's not in pristine condition, but that's because it's useful and I've been using it. This right here is a roll up beach mat. It rolls up to just like really small, about less than a foot, I think, and about like that. So it's very compact, and it is kind of waterproof, I guess, on one side, and just a nice alternative to having to sit on a towel on the beach. And it's about the width of, I don't know, maybe like two beach towels, I'd say. So it's really nice, and the sand doesn't get through it. There it is, rolled up. Takes two people, but it's not complicated. It has the little Velcro, and then it has a little handle too, so pretty convenient. This is a waterproof bag. It's good for putting like phones and the chargers that you bring along in, or anything like maybe your key fobs, stuff you don't want to get wet. I only have one hand right now to open it with, so it's going to be kind of hard. But it has this zipper here, and then it has another little zipper pouch to put stuff in the middle. And then this I really like, the vacation facial, oh, I got hair on it, spray. This actually I spray over makeup, and that kind of goes along with this stuff. This I put on first. I use this as my face sunblock, and these sort of all go together. This is one of the perfumes that I brought. It's really good for a vacation perfume. It smells like the sunblock. It's tropical and sort of coconutty, vacation-y smelling. I have a video I'm probably going to do on the vacation perfumes that I brought. So I like that a lot. And they all smell the same. So yeah, you can spray over your makeup and it works. So there we go. Those actually was in the last summer box, I believe. And it's a nice little beach cover up. And it's cute, you know, it can go with pinks or orange or, you know, jean shorts, and it's cute. It's really cute. Travel pillow was in the last box, and I think it might be scented, I'm not sure. This I think was from last summer, and I'm just finally breaking it out. This little sarong has pinks and oranges in it, so that goes, most of my swimsuits are pink, goes with pretty much everything. I have brought all my swimsuits that I brought. I really love the way this smells, and since it's not in a pump, it's not going to explode on you. Love that. And then this hand cream, same brand, love it. Juicy mango, that scent goes with all my perfumes sort of that I brought. And then this also, oh, that sort of goes with the vacation if you want to have sort of an oil to put on top. I wouldn't use this alone instead of the sunscreen, but if you want to have kind of an oil to go on top just to kind of moisturize and look a bit glowy, that works well too. And then this isn't coconutty, but it's like mango, so I really like that too. And it also has sort of the same scent as that, so I'm big into scent. And then packing cubes. I love packing cubes. I mean, they make traveling so much easier. Not on a cruise right now, but whether you're on a cruise or not, but I mean, if you're on a cruise, travel cubes are an absolute must because you've got such limited space, and just being able to take your clothes out, just set them on the shelf or in the drawers, whatever. It's just so nice. And yeah, it's wonderful. I love having traveling cubes to put my stuff in. And then one of my absolute favorite things is this little Vanity Planet makeup case. It's hard-sided, so things are not going to get crushed. And then it has a light. It's rechargeable. So I don't have like Windex to clean it with, so then got some like sunscreen on it, like spray sunblock, so it got a little messy. But yeah, it's super, super convenient. If you have just a little spot, and it does have 2 different brightnesses, and you charge it up with just like a phone charger kind of cord, but it's so convenient and nice. And then I think the thing that I've had the longest is this. This is a wrap from, what is it? Well, it's got this, you can use it as a blanket or a wrap. I take this on every cruise I go on, and use it as kind of a shawl. It's great to have if you can kind of dress it up or down, or if you're dressing up or down, you can wear it and just have it for your shoulders. It's great for on the airplane. I've used it as a blanket if I didn't have enough covers. You can take it out on the patio with you if you're reading and you need a little extra blanket, but it is just so convenient, and it pretty much goes with everything, black or gray. I bought extra of these and gave them out as gifts, and I like keeping it in my car when I'm at home too, just have. And this is just like one of my absolute favorite things that I've ever gotten from Fab Fit Fun. But yeah, there we go. Those were my travel essentials from Fab Fit Fun. And I've gotten a lot of use out of all of these. So if you happen to see those and you think they might be useful, those were my recommendations. So thanks, and have a great day, and I hope you get to take a fabulous vacation soon. So see ya.